inviting other people into the journey with you that they are good at things that you are not, and complimenting you, that frees you up to really focus on the things that you're passionate about and that you're good at. In the example with you guys, Robert, I learned about you through a good friend of mine who happens to be a friend of yours, a mutual friend. And he said, man, this guy does a lot of online content, and he trains people how to instruct through video. And so what that allowed us to do by partnering with you, you were teaching us the fast course, the crash course, and this is how you do online instruction and how you build the back-end infrastructure, which we didn't know anything about. So that allowed us to say, okay, Robert and his team are really helping to lay the groundwork for the operational side of what we're doing, but now let's lean into what we are doing and let's dream about what content we can actually put forward. And so that just allowed us to get quality products starting to put together, learn from other people's mistakes. You know, Robert, you didn't come out perfect right off the bat. Like, you've made tons of mistakes over your career, and I got to learn from the mistakes that you made because you were saying, hey, don't do this, do that. Mm-hmm. Why? Because I've made that mistake and you don't want to go down that road. And so that allowed us to really focus on the things that we are good at, and it allowed us to avoid a lot of pitfalls